Good PM. Today is Monday, April 1, 2024, and here are the 3 p.m. SL Visayas result today for Lapu-Lapu City and Mandaue City. Here are the STL Shore 3 p.m. draw result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for Monday, April 1, 2024. Here are the STL Shore 3 p.m. draw result for Mandaue City under Piona Trading Supply Corporation for April 1, 2024, Monday. Thank you for watching this 3 p.m. video for April 1, 2024, Monday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.